Next question. If the sum of a certain number of terms of the AP 25, 22, 19, etc. is 116, find the last term. So the AP is given as 25, 22, 19, etc. Isn't it? So we can write the value of A and D. What is A? A is the first term of the AP, which is 25. What about D? D is second term minus first term, isn't it? Second term is 22 minus 25, which gives you the value minus 3. We have to find the sum of certain number of terms is 116, and we have to find the last term. So Sn is given as 116. So for an AP, the three unknowns are A, D and N. A and D is given. To find N, we have the value given as Sn 116. So from this equation, we have to find the value of N. So if I apply the formula N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D is given as 116. So N into, if I take 2 to the right side, N into 2 into, what is A? 25 plus N minus 1 into minus 3 will give you the value 116 into 2. So if I simplify, 25 into 2 gives you 50 minus 3n plus 3. If I open the bracket is equal to 232. And 50 plus 3 gives you 53. 53 minus 3n into n. So what will be the answer? Minus 3n square plus 53n. And if I take this 232 to the left side, what I get is minus 232 is equal to 0. Okay, just to avoid the negative sign, I am dividing throughout the equation with a minus. So what I get is 3n square minus 53n plus 232 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is again a quadratic equation. We have to solve for n. Either you can apply the formula, otherwise factorize. So I am going with the formula. The formula is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. That's equal to minus of b is the coefficient of n, isn't it, which is minus 53, plus or minus square root of b square. B square is minus 53 the whole square. So minus 53 the whole square minus 4 into, what is a? A is the coefficient of n square, which is minus 3 into c is the coefficient constant term, which is minus 232. Whole divided by 2 into, what is A? A is the coefficient of n square, which is 3. Okay, A is 3. We are taking this equation, so A is 3. Same way, C is also 3. I took constant and A from this equation. That is the reason why I got negative. Actually, we divided with the negative sign to make like this, isn't it? So A is 3 and C is 232. So that is equal to 53. Minus of minus 53 gives you plus 53 plus or minus square root of 2809 minus 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 232 gives you 2784 divided by 2 into 3 is 6. This difference of 2809 and 2784 is 25, and its square root gives you 5. Okay, so what we are getting is n is equal to 53 plus or minus 5 divided by 6. So we are getting two values. N as 53 plus 5 by 6, that is 58 by 6. Otherwise 53 minus 5 by 6. So that 53 minus 5 gives you 48 by 6. So we are getting the value of n. 58 by 6 can be simplified, but we will not be getting an integer, isn't it? So if we want to simplify further, we can write as 29 by 3. And 48 by 6 gives you the value 8. So n is equal to 29 by 3 and 8. 29 by 3 is not an integer. So we have to avoid the value so that n is equal to 8. N as among the unknowns A, D and N has the restriction. N can take only integer value. So we have to take n as 8. Again, what about the question? We have to find the last term. Sum of certain number of terms is given as 116. AP was given its certain number of terms. Sum of certain number of terms of this AP is given as 116. And we have to find the last term. Suppose you are given the question as sum of 5 terms of the AP. That is A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 as 116. So which will be the last term? A5, isn't it? We calculated, or we are given that S5 equal to 116. and the last term of this sum. As per this sum, the last term is A5. Same way, we got the value of n as 8 and Sn was given as 116. And the question is to find the last term. Here, what was the question? S5 was given as 116. If the last term is what we have to find, we will be finding A5. Same way, here also S8 is given as 116. So the last term means it will be the 8th term. So last term is equal to 8th term. A8 is equal to A plus 7 into D. What is A? We have already written the value of A as 25 plus D. We got the value as minus 3. So 7 into minus 3. Isn't it? So 25. 7 3s are 21. 25 minus 21, which gives you the value 4. Okay. So the last term of this AP, in which the sum is 116, is 4. That means the 8th term of the AP, which gives the sum as 116, is 4.